front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this OPPO device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. After that, you need to choose System Settings, Keyboard and Input Method, so here is click Gboard and Theme. Over here, scroll down, click on Show More and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Now you need to manage key borders by clicking on this switcher, and when you're ready, select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings, swiping up, clicking on this plus icon under my themes and tapping on the photo that you wish to apply. I will go with that one. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage key borders by tapping on this switcher, click on Apply and go back. As you can see now, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!